difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, my hair length is, I don't know how many inches, but it's pretty long. And the hair from the sides is about an inch or two. I'm growing up my sides too, so yeah. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow your hair out to its maximum potential faster than ever. If that sounds interesting, let's hop right into this video. The number one tip to grow your hair out faster than ever is to focus on your nutrition. Your diet should be protein rich, you should consume all micronutrients, your food should be rich in vitamin B and C. And there's one supplement you should not miss out on, and that is biotin. Biotin really helps grow your hair out, I'm telling you. Do I take biotin supplements? No, because I get enough biotin in my daily diet. But if you're a person who has a lack of biotin and wants to take their hair growth to another level, you should definitely consider taking biotin supplements. And here's a breakfast option for you guys. Try having avocado toast and eggs in the morning, and that will help you speed up your hair growth. It's a cool breakfast option, you should definitely give it a try. Now moving on to number two. Number two is vitamin C. I already spoke about vitamin B in the first point, and the second point I'm talking about vitamin C. Ways to obtain vitamin C, oranges, all citrus fruits. And I'm telling you, vitamin C really helps you grow your hair out. Really does. Trust me, try having a fruit which is rich in vitamin C daily or like twice a day. It will give you some good results. And if you're already having avocado in the morning, try having not avocado, have oranges in the afternoon, and at night have lemons. Just include vitamin C in your diet and you see your hair, growing lusciously long like mine. Number three is deep conditioning and oiling. I don't know, I've spoken about this so many times on my channel. You need to condition your hair every day. Some people say, I don't want to condition my hair every day. And I'm saying, dude, you're not going to get any results. Condition your hair every single day and oil your hair every single day. I'm telling you, you'll see results in no time. Because when you deep condition your hair every single day, it leaves your hair soft, and a conditioner just conditions your hair. It doesn't strip you away from those natural oils. And if you're investing in a good quality conditioner and oil your hair every single day, there's so many benefits of hair oils. I do this every single day and you see the results, right? I'm just a living example, so give it a try. It's worth a shot. Condition and oil your hair every single day. That's number three. Let's move on to number four. Number four is shampoo only when needed. And if you feel the urge to shampoo a lot, definitely try investing in a dry shampoo. The one I use was from Batiste. You've seen me using it in a few videos. I'll make a video on dry shampoos pretty soon in the future. Maybe I'll shoot it yet tomorrow or on Friday, like whenever I'm free. But see, the reason I'm telling you to shampoo only when you need to shampoo is because even the best quality shampoos in the world, even the best shampoo, strips you away from your natural oils. No matter how good it is, every shampoo needs to have some chemicals and they strip your natural oils away. So shampoo only when needed. Like you'll be shocked to hear I shampoo only once a week. Yep, that's it, once a week, because my hair is not greasy. My hair is cool, it doesn't get dirty too soon. But if you're a person who has greasy hair and feels the need to shampoo your hair every day, you should definitely invest in a dry shampoo and limit shampooing at least 2 to 3 times a week. That's it, tops. That much. And on the other days you can dry shampoo, but shampoo only 2 to 3 times a week. And if you're a person like me, shampoo once. It's okay. It sounds disgusting, but I shampoo once a week and I condition daily, so my hair is pretty much clean. Number 5 is apply a hair mask once a week. I always make it a point to apply a hair mask once a week. And what does the hair mask do? It helps you speed up your hair growth and also nourishes your hair from within. You see, I have color treated and that with silver hair. You know, silver colors are damaging, but you can see how healthy my hair looks, and people often ask me questions. Dude, you colored your hair, how is it so healthy? How? I take good care of my hair and my nutrition, so that's why. So no, use a hair mask every week, once. It will help you a lot because it will nourish and hydrate your hair from within. Leave it on for 10 minutes and you're done. I already made a hair care video on it, so you can definitely check it out at the end of this video, or I'll list it down below. Number 6 is cold water. Each and every YouTuber has been stressing a lot about cold water, and cold water, cold showers have its own benefits. There's numerous benefits of it, and one is soft skin and soft hair. If you're a person who's constantly washing their hair with hot water and the skin with hot water, please stop doing it. You know, cold showers suck, but I'm telling you, they have a lot of benefits. So always wash your hair with cold water, no matter what. It's the best option, you know. Like, I'll give you a tip. If you're shampooing your hair and you want to like open up your pores and stuff, keep the temperature of your water around 36 to 37 degrees. Like, you know, wet your hair with lukewarm water, apply shampoo, wash it off with cold water, and condition with cold water too. So wash off the conditioner with cold water too. So yeah, use cold water. Cold water helps a lot. Yeah, for everything. Cold water. Number 7 is stay hydrated. Drink a gallon of water every single day and you'll see benefits right away in your strength, your skin, hair, everything. You know, you just feel so much better. Stay hydrated, drink a lot of water. It has umpteens of benefits. Stay hydrated. Number 8 is go for trims when needed. I'm repeating it again. Go for trims when needed. When you say, no, Maxim is my favorite YouTuber said, go for trims every 2 weeks, go for trims every 1 month. See dude, you're growing your hair out. Now, I'll tell you when you should go for trims. Go for trims when your hair is unmanageable, you have split ends, you're looking like a monster, you're not looking like a human. That's the time go for trims to keep your hair nice and tidy. And the reason you feel like you want to go for trims is because you're not taking care of your hair. It's that simple. Your hair's all puffed up, you wake up from the bed, don't do anything to your hair, you don't have a good hair care routine, and then say, oh, my hair's grown out too long, I need to get a trim. No, it doesn't work that way. Take good care of your hair. The moment you notice like you're getting split ends, your hair is uneven, you need to have some touch-ups, that's the time to go for the trim. And you'd be surprised to know how often I go for a trim when I'm growing my hair out. Like, to grow my hair out this long, I have to go for trims every 2 to 3 months. Because that's when I started to have split ends and stuff. So, trim your hair as less as you can. That's the point. Only when you need it. Go for trims only when you need. Number 9, let it grow. And yep, that's number 9. Let it grow. You should let your hair grow. Just let it grow. Don't go for cuts. Don't lose hope in between. The process is long, but it's worth it. And if you follow all these tips which I gave, you're gonna see results in no time. So just let it grow. Don't mess around with your hair. Let it grow. Number 10, which is quite important. The last tip, number 10. Patience. I see many people go on like, dude, I'm gonna grow my hair out and all that. Like, just come so furious. Yeah, I'm gonna grow my hair out. But in the end, I don't think this is gonna work out, man. My hair's looking too funny. I'm in an awkward stage. I must give up right now and go for shorter hair. Well, if you wanted to grow your hair out, then why did you just stop it halfway? Could have waited a few more months and seen incredible results. The only thing you lack is patience. This is what, like, even if you follow all 9 tips which I gave, but you do not have patience, your hair's not gonna grow out to its full potential. So, yeah. And remember, if you're growing your hair out, let it grow out healthy. Take good care of it. And if your hair's damaged at the ends, go for trims, but not too often. So that's for today's video. Hope it helped you guys. These are the 10 tips which I think would be quite helpful for y'all to grow your hair out as fast as you can. My hair is growing at an alarming rate. Just look at the length. On the sides, I think one month ago I got a super short hairstyle. On my sides, like my side is super short now. Just look at the length. My hair grows super fast because I follow all these 10 tips, and you should too. My Instagram is @Maximus_Orana. If you haven't subscribed already, go subscribe. I'm gonna upload every single day on YouTube and Instagram, and you'll love my content, I'm telling you. Okay, that's it for today. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye. Peace.